Good afternoon, I'm Federica D'Ambrosio. We are now going to review the account of Diomar. Diomar joined our funded trader program last September on the 22nd, and he hit his first 10% target on the 9th on the 4th of November. So let's have a look at this equity line to see what happened with his account. So when he first joined, he went a bit negative on his account. He was down just 2%, so nothing major, but then he almost straight away recovered and he was up by 1.3%. He held this 1% for a while until the mid-October, we can say, and then from the second part of October, after the 13, basically, he went one way up here. By the end of October, he was up on his account by 8.6%. A little drawback here, and then it went up to hit his first 10% target. Okay, congratulations, Diomar, first of all, and let's have a look at the statistics. So, Diomar has a daily average return of 0.22%, which is good. A monthly return on average of 6.64%, and he kept his drawdown level to 2.75% on average, which is good. Let's have a look at the advanced statistics. So, Diomar took quite a number of trades, 580 positions, with a profitability rate of 66%. Let's have a look at his average win and loss. So he has an average win of 12 pips, almost 13 pips, and an average loss of 20 pips. But since he has a good profitability rate with a very good number of positions opened, he managed to hit his target and be profitable. Let's have a look at his best and worst trade. In terms of dollar, we have his best trade and his worst trade, both of them on October the 6th. And he gained 52 and he lost $106. His best and worst trade in terms of pips were the best trade on the 25th of September. He gained 75 pips and he lost just one day before 194 pips. Okay. So I look at the summary to see where he focused the most. So we see a number of positions here and there, but the majority of his trade were on the pound dollar. He took 407 positions on this pair between long and short trades, and he gained 924 pips with a result of $918. We also see quite good results on his 30 position opened on the pound Aussie. He gained 721 pips, resulting in $511 gained. And also here on the euro yen, he gained 443 pips with a result of $440. Let's see from the negative side if there is one pair that costed him the most, and we can see here a pound New Zealand 7 position. He lost 900 pips on this pair. Maybe the volume was very low because it was translated only in a loss of $179. Okay, let's have a look at the history, but here we expect quite a long history because of the number of positions he opened, and yes, 30 pages. Let's have a look. So he was keeping his volume there, his lot size very, very low, 0.03 in the beginning. Maybe we can start to see here 0.10. Again, he was going 0.10. Yeah, I think he kept 0.10 for a while, maybe for the entire period he traded this account. Let's have a look at more recent result just to have an idea. And yes, he was opening position at maximum 0.10 each one. So maybe he was opening multiple positions, or he was just opening, keeping this lot size. And yeah, well, whatever he did, it worked for him, and he managed to hit his target on the 5th of November, his first 10% target. Let's have a look at the monthly gain for him. So September, we mentioned, he was a bit down on his account. Then he had a good October. He gained 7.25%, and the remaining 3% was on November. But of course, November is just started, so we can see how is going to manage the second account, the 30K account. And yeah, let's have a look at this trade length. So for this number of trades, let's see, 3 hours and 38 minutes on average. Let's have a look at the duration scatter plot. And yes, the vast majority of his position were held for less than 6 hours, some few other for up to 13 hours, and just 2 position held for maximum 1 day. Unfortunately, 2 negative position, 2 losing positions. Okay, very good. Diomar, also for you, very well done. We can see from the shape of your equity line that it's really nice upward sloping, so we are looking forward to do the second review of your account as well.